What the hell is that?
What is that shit?
It's pretty sure this is the Neon. No, the fucking Mozzie versus the Jag,
Mozzie
bro.
versus the Jag, bruh. You guys ready to see it with the peanut butter guts? It was close. It's a little bit dark, but oh, is that a Z behind there? You know what I'm saying? Okay, we got some better lighting now. Yo, what's good, y'all? Who is LouieXIII back again? You already know what it is, man. I'm Louie, and if you're familiar with the content, then you pretty much already know what's gonna go down if it's a night vlog. Every time, man, we're pretty much going to Mexico. You know what I'm saying? 9 times out of 10, these night vlogs, we go to Mexico, man. We're gonna go to a little meet, you know, meet up with the boys, see what's good, see who all goes out. Should be some interesting people going out tonight as well. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens, man. We're about to be pulling up, people. A little charger right there. I see you, buddy. What the hell is that? I thought that was like a Hellcat or something. I don't know what that is. Wonder if he's going. Fuck is you looking at, mate? Damn. Scraped in the middle right there. See where everybody's at. What's good though? What's good with it?
So guy,
Where's all the where all the parkings at, bro? Yeah, man, I'm always recording, G. Something like that, you know. All right, say less. Okay. Oh, we got the Supra. I was wondering what the fuck that was, bro. Is it Project 8? What is that? What is that shit?
It's pretty sure this is the Neon. No,
It's a Panther.
fucking apparently.
Project 8. Big old wing. Oh, it's a Jaguar, duh.
Not look like a Jaguar, bro.
I know, I thought it was an Audi.
Yeah.
There's fucking Ed's first run, bruh. The Jaguar.
Hey, dude, hey, Louie just said it. That's it right there. The fucking Mozzie versus the Jag,
Mozzie
bro.
versus the Jag, bruh. The first run. You guys ready to see it with the peanut butter guts? Got a supermoto in the building. Check out young Dylan in the Z. That thing ain't nothing to play with. Hopefully we see that shit in action. What happened? Oh, you see Juan with the cat prints? Got the cat print wrap for you? You know, I fuck with that color though, because it reminds me of mine. And you know, my wide body twin. You know what I mean? Fuck y'all know about that. See the Challenger right here? The yellow one with the satin hood. And the hood clips. Okay, the TA 392. I fucks with it. What up, guys? What else is out here? Damn, loud. The ZL1 right here. The other Camaro, carbon fiber hood.
LouieXIII.
What's good though? Big old fucking J. Sheesh. That fucking cigar, dog.
Quit playing.
That's right. Okay, Jimmy, I see you, buddy. Hey, I heard you're running Adrian tonight. Hell yeah. What are you pushing right there, bro?
Well, this to the wheels or to the end?
Yeah, to the wheel.
about 680.
680?
Yeah, it's about 7.
Oh shit. Okay. Oh yeah.
That's right.
That's without squeezing. I mean, we squeeze.
Yeah, yeah. What all do you have in it? Oh, it's set up for 100 shot? Hell yeah, that's right.
But I guess he.
Can't even let Jimmy have his shine, huh? He has to fucking come show him up. Squeeze by you guys real quick. That's right, I see you, buddy. The fucking big old Tomei. I know, bro. I can't wait to see that shit in action. Shitting on everybody in here. Yeah, big stock, big stock. No quema. See the Z06, big fucking goals. Bruh, just wait on it. And this is exactly how I'd get it too. Look at this shit. Sheesh. Big goals right here, bruh. I'm gonna have that shit soon, watch. Damn. Okay, with the red calipers and all that. This thing is a beast, bro. I'm gonna have this soon though. Wait on it. Except 7-speed. Yes, sir. And then you guys see the Supra. Wait on the review. Oh, with the carbon fiber caps, mirror caps. All the Beamers. You guys see all the Beamers? Beamer gang. The M3, that shit's hard. With the red guts.
It's mental. That's the why I don't want to race with you, you know.
I'm sick too.
Yeah, but 4x4, you fucking fast.
We'll do rolls. We'll do rolls.
Big Eclipse, boys.
It's like a Cali game.
Oh, that's the challenge. Oh, is that the G right there or what? And the bin.
So these are G63.
The AM Jizzle.
Ramon.
Damn, Ramon. Look at him. Ken Juan knows how to make an exit, huh? See it? Something in there, bro. At least 7 wheel. They call him the Green Goblin. Yeah. All right, we got action, people. Finally, we got action. I think we're gonna get a dig in with Lalo. That's who's in the Camaro in front of me. And we'll see how it goes, man, because he does best on digs. And for me, it's iffy. Like, if I could get good traction and all that, then I'd do good. But it's all about if I could get good traction. And these tires that I got are kind of worn out, man. And they're the P0s, 305s, but P0s, you know, they're kind of ass when it comes to grip. We'll be upgrading those tires here pretty soon. I'm just gonna go through the rest of them, get a little burnout video for you guys too. 10,000 subs might be the fucking burnout video, baby. Yes, sir. That's what it is gonna be, actually. Here goes the Raptor and the C10. All right, they're getting the dig in from way the fuck over there. Oh, it's close. Damn, Jimmy. Jimmy got him, bro.
Damn.
Okay, Jim.
Hey, I bet you.
That was a good run, bro.
That blow up, that was fucking sexy.
It did, dude. All right, we good to go. Let's get it. We're over here in Mexico. About to get a little dig in. Oh, you can honk it. Close. I think we might run it one more time. Big fucking spin out. Damn. One more? One more or what? A roll? Or we could do another dig, whatever. I'm down for a dig. Yeah. Alright guys, so we ain't done yet. You know, we're going to another spot right now. I gotta redeem myself, man. Spun out on that last one. The first one was good, but I jumped and then I slowed down a little and then he got going, so. And then the second one I spun. But we're gonna get some better ones in right now. We're going to another spot and we'll see what's good, man. Could get a couple runs in with some other cars as well. Today's a dig night, you know what I'm saying? We doing digs tonight. We doing digs tonight. But yeah, we're doing digs tonight, man. We'll probably get some rolls in too, see what's good. See if I could stop from spinning. Man, even when I ease onto it, it's just these tires, man. Maybe I gotta ease onto it a little more, I don't know, but we'll see at the next spot. See the Mustang and the Camaro. All right. Camaro for the win.
Lalo said sell it.
That was a fucking, oh, that was Lalo?
Lalo.
That's right. About to bring the Vetti out. The vet's coming out?
Bad, dog.
Hell yeah.
Shit puts it work.
Yeah? I haven't seen it in action yet.
Well, so you're about to see right now.
Let's see it. Let's see it. He's gonna run Lalo or what? Ooh, watch that lip though.
They got it.
Oh yeah, you got it. Sheesh, that was barely.
And that shit already has wheels on it.
Oh
Tires?
damn.
Okay.
He ain't waste no time, huh?
Look at that shit. Some Mickeys right there.
Are they?
Those look like Mickeys, right?
They are? Look, Brian even got tires yet. This wouldn't waste no time. Are those the 4G autos?
Oh, hell yeah.
They got the 4Gs on the feet? The new 4Gs on the feet. Fun again, bruh. Yeah, I was going for a little while and then it just started getting loose. Damn, I need some tires, guys. You can honk it. Yeah. Big spinner. We man. We gotta get it rolling now. I gotta get some tires, guys, cause that's trash, man. I literally did a 1500 launch and eased into it like a motherfucker and still spun. Oh well, man, that's the name of the game, you know. At least I know now I pretty much can't get any more digs on these tires, dude. I've gotten a couple good launches before, but I think they're just toasted. They're donezo now. So it looks like the Federale's got somebody up here. Wonder who that is. Hopefully it's nobody from the crew. Nobody that I know. We'll see if he wants to get a 20 roll in. See if he wants to get a 20 roll in, and I'll come back. Well, actually, let's see what's going on over here. Let me turn these lights off. See who they got. Oh, it's a little Honda. A little Honda. Nothing crazy, but oh, let's see what he says. Hell yes. 20 roll time, baby. So we're gonna get a 20 roll in. So I'll be back in a minute, guys. That was a good one. Damn, that cam helped a lot, Lalo, dude. That cam helped Lalo a lot, because I've never done a 20 roll with him, but from a 40 a while ago I got him pretty good. That was a good run right there. All right, I'm gonna go home, dude. All right, good shit, bro. That was a good run, man. I was even spinning a little bit on that damn 20. But we kept it going, we kept it going. I had to get at least a roll in, man. You know? After those shitty ass dig attempts on my part. But shout out to Lalo, you know, for the good runs. That was dope. Cool little night, you know. Pretty much just ran Lalo the whole night. But appreciate you guys so much, man. All the love and support. The growth has been tremendous. I'm loving it, you know what I'm saying? My goal, my 6-month goal was to get to 10K, you know what I'm saying? That was an actual goal of mine. And I mean, even if we don't hit 10K by the end of this month, we're pretty damn close, man. So I'm happy as hell. And we're just gonna keep going up, man. I got so many big plans for this channel. A lot of stuff that I want to do. A lot of cars that I want to bring to the channel, man. Might surprise a lot of people what type of cars I'm thinking of, what type of cars I got in mind. But just know, man, it's not just gonna be muscle, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of different vehicles that I want to bring to this channel. A lot of dope content that I'm gonna bring. And without the help from you guys, that doesn't happen, man. So without you guys, this channel ain't shit, like I always say. Without you guys, this channel ain't nothing, like I always say. So I appreciate you guys more than anything, man. Thank you guys so much. Much love, respect. If you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Big subscriptions, you know, hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys. Wait on that gaming channel, it's coming soon. But all that helps tremendously, man. Comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next. Tell me what I can improve on, and I'll be sure to get it done for you guys, man. Other than that, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man.